Hi guys, welcome to the expected 2017 CAT paper. This video will talk about what to expect from the CAT exam in the next few weeks and 10 things to take care of while preparing for the CAT section. Alright, so number one thing first is reading comprehension. RC is going to be 24 questions. Reading comprehension, 24 questions. That's where the main challenge is, because all of our life we have not been prepared for the RC to be that level. So area which I normally people don't like is RC, and there are going to be 24 questions. That's where the main scary part is. Fine. So if we're talking about the breakup point of view, so 24 questions will be RC. There are three main areas for preparation: reading, para jumble, para completion, RC, everything, grammar and vocabulary. Number of questions in CAT is 34, so vocabulary will be 0, grammar 0, all 34 questions based on reading. Fine. And that's where the main problem is. If you don't want to believe me, don't believe me, please download the paper. The link is available on top of this sheet. So please download the paper and check for yourself. We'll download the last year paper and download this expected paper which I have made for the verbal section. Okay. So number one point is the 24 question of reading comprehension, which we have to take care of. Alright, so point number 2, we have to move to the second part. So we talk about RC, so 24 questions will be based on RC. Remaining 10 questions are going to be based on theta. Type in the answer. There is no option available for you. And this is which will surprise some of the students. Because I am all my life, all my preparation, I have been taught about how to solve the question with 4 options. So in case you're not able to know the answer, no problem. Use the option to get the answer. But in theta question, no option will work. Fine. All 10 questions, especially parajumbles and all these questions, para completion become very difficult to solve without the options. So all these 10 questions you have to practice a lot. So pointer number 2 is please do work hard for the theta based question, because that will be scary. Alright. Alright, number 3 point is within theta question is summary based question. For example, this question number 25. Which of the following will best describe the essence or the structure of the passage? Now I need to find the structure of the passage, essence of the passage, main idea of the passage, topic of the passage, summary of the passage. That is, these kind of questions are going to be the main problem area. So they'll give you 5 options. Out of that, whichever option you think is the right answer, you have to type in here. Theta means type in the answer. So option E, option D, whatever the right answer, you have to type in. So point number 3 is 3 questions based on essence of the passage or summary of the passage, or more of a critical reasoning based question which we need to worry about. And that's it, trust me, no one is doing these questions. So 3 questions, easy cakewalk question, I can't ignore. So point number 3. Point number 4 is question based on parajumble. Now parajumble is my old friend, I used to love it. For example, in this case, option number 1, point number 6 suffix ABCD, we have to find the new order of ABCD. A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, what are the option is. Fine. Earlier it used to be very easy for me because I know the option how to play on them. I know I can use option to solve. In fact, trust me, even I used to solve or parajumble question based on theta, based on options. Now options are gayab. You have a blank space. You have to type in the answer. And this is where the problem will start. So 4 questions of parajumble is going to create a main problem because I have to type the answer A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A. So all the strategies have to be changed for theta based question. Alright. Point number 4. Alright, point number 5 is going to be your odd man out based passages. In the following paragraph, last sentence have been deleted. Fine. Last sentence have been deleted. You have to find the new last line. So it's incomplete sentences, incomplete paragraph. That's kind of question you can expect as well. So either you can get an odd man out, find the odd man out statement. Out of this, I give you 5 statements. One of the statement is not in sync with the paragraph, or they can give you the para completion based question. So pointer number 5 is all these paragraph based questions, para completion or odd man out. Again going to be 3 marks, which I need to worry about. So we'll go through both the type of question. You need to go through both the type of question, para completion and odd man out, to get a clear cut idea about these things. Alright, so that's your point number 5. For pointer number 6, I need to go back to the reading comprehension. So reading comprehension, there will be 24 questions. Comparatively from last 2-3 years, RC is coming out to be normal, not very difficult. Yep. So ideal breakup, so out of this 24 question, inference based questions is going to be around 12 and fact based questions 12. That's the best advantage of the RC section. Yep. Now what do I mean by inference based question in this thing? So this is a live example taken from this. So please again download this expected paper, because this will get you a clear-cut idea about what is coming, what is not coming. Which the following is summarizes the passage. This is a typical inference based question. Why the author have referred preschoolers in the passage is a typical fact based. So I have to look at the fact, look at the preschoolers data. I'm sorry, I'm not well today to record the video. So fact based question is like this. Why author said this? What is the meaning of this line? So that's more of a fact based question. How many people died in that accident? Suppose this accident case going on. Fine. So 12 questions of inference and 12 questions of fact based is your pointer number 6, which we need to take care of. So pointer number 7 is from the strategy point of view, is a very important point, is that verbal section is going to the first section. So that's my 3 sections, section 1, section 2, section 3. First is verbal. My motivation, everything is high when I'm doing the first section. Speed is good, accuracy is high, everything is perfect. When we move to the second section, this is a brain freeze chart freezing in. Fine, because the 3-hour paper, first hour you were motivated, now you start feeling sad, you start feeling demotivated, down. Last 1 hour, you again buck up the speed. Accuracy will fall, but speed will be good because that's the last 1 hour. This is exactly happening to us in all the exams. Remember the handwriting of the first question of the paper and the last question of the paper. You understand what I'm talking about. Fine. So now we have to manage this section, and this is very important. Fine. So you have to manage your verbal section in such a way that your motivation is still intact while sailing through the exam. So this curve, which is a very natural curve, happened to us all our life, have to now be streamlined into average. My confidence, my strategy, my motivation should not falter for the 3 exams. If you are able to manage that, you can survive the paper. Are you getting me? Now this is out of context from the verbal section in generic, but verbal section being the first section, your motivation, confidence should not falter at the end of this. Especially engineers who are not good in verbal or you need improvement in verbal, sort it out right now, because this will create the problem for the remaining exam as well. Alright. So that's your pointer number 8. Managing the expectation from the first section. Alright, so pointer number 8, I will go back to again theta based question. So there are 10 questions based on theta. We talked about that. We talked about para completion, all these things. Main thing is there is no negative marking for this. Fine. It will not be given in the paper, in the starting of the paper, but this will be released before the exam, that there will be no negative marking for the theta based question. This means I have to solve them. So these 10 questions to attempt karna hi hai, irrespective of whatever you do in RC. Fine, because there is no negative marking, please don't miss that opportunity. So attempt all 10 by 10. It will not affect your accuracy, it will not affect your percentile if you attempt more. So theta based question, you have to do all 10 questions. And practice these 3 things. 3 to hai yaar, aur hai kya? Parajumbles, summary based, and coherent passages, odd man out statement or para completion. Yeah, 4 things you have to do. That's it. Point number 8, no negative marking in the theta based questions. So for pointer number 9, I have to go to the first section. First thing, again important thing, is how many questions I have to attempt. Cutoffs and attempt. This is your overall sheet here. Fine. If you do 8 questions correct, you will get 90%, 70 percentile, 12, 80 percentile, 16, 90 percentile. So your target have to be this much. So my target have to be 20 questions correct, which means 99 percentile. So to do 20 questions correct, I might have to attempt 24, 25 questions. So 25 question attempt will become your very good target to clear all the cutoffs. Okay, that's going to be your main advantage. And pointer number 10. Fine, with this we'll complete the series with last pointer number 10 is going to be your level of difficulty. RC section plus VA section, 24 question, 10 questions. This is going to be much more easier than what is being taught to you at the coaching classes. Don't believe me? Look at the last year paper. Look at the last year paper. You'll be surprised to know the level of difficulty is very easy, which will tempt you to attempt more questions. So we're not going to fall into the trap. We'll attempt normally. Attempt of 25, 26, 27 is a very good attempt in the verbal section. Do not over attempt because your accuracy will fall. Okay. So level of difficulty of, if I compare the other section, quant again will be easier. VARC will be again doable, easier. LRDI is going to be the main difficult section in the CAT exam this year as well. That's what we are predicting. Okay. Alright, if you have any more questions, you can ask me on Facebook. My link is facebook.com/ravgun, RAVGUN. Just ping me on Facebook. You can ask me any question, or you can post here in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply. Alright, so do subscribe to our videos here. So I will be launching videos, other videos for the other section as well in the coming future. So please go through all the videos and download the paper here of last year paper, so that you can know yourself what kind of questions are coming in the exam. Fine. So please do see the other videos which we have posted here for the other sections. Alright. So thank you very much. All the best.